So a couple days ago I did something really bad that you shouldn't be doing when you're stuck at home during a pandemic, which was bleaching my hair. Why did I do it? So I just wanted to lighten my hair 3-4 shades lighter, but it ended up just being a total failure. And now my hair is back to the original hair color that it was, but darker and like more damaged. In order to reverse my mistakes, I wanted to try this thing out where basically there's this concoction that this girl on YouTube applied on her hair, and it just stripped all her color out from her hair with no damage. So I found it super interesting, so I wanted to try it to the test and see if it will work on like darker hair color, because I did see a lot of people are trying this method, but then they had pink colored hair which worked like super fast because it was like a fashion color. So I don't know if it will work on like black hair dye or like dark brown hair dye, because this was pretty dark, I think, in my opinion. So the ingredients that you're gonna need is baking soda, purple shampoo, 10 volume cream developer, last but not least some dishwash soap. So those are the things that you're gonna need, okay? I need to wet my hair first so that it shrinks, and then I can work with it easier. So this part is darker than the lower part because I suck and I kind of like dyed it wrong last time. I'm gonna wet my hair and I'll be right back. I'm back from damping my hair. I need to find a comb. Okay, so now I'm gonna dump my ingredients here. So I'm using this cream volume developer. I'm just gonna use the whole bottle. This is a 200 milliliter, aka like 6.76 ounces of cream developer. I have a lot of hair, so I kind of need a lot. I finished the whole thing. Oh my god, this is a bad idea. Okay, I used the whole thing, and then I'm also gonna use like all the baking soda. This is a 454 grams or a 1 pound baking soda. I'm gonna mix it. I was just mixing cream developer and the baking soda together. The cream developer really just eats all the baking soda. It kind of just melts inside of it. I think it's doing some like crazy chemical reactions right now. I needed a bigger bowl. This is a lot. I'm gonna save some for actual baking. And then a little bit of that. I'm gonna use purple shampoo because that's what the rules said. Be like just a little bit. To be fair, this is not the first time that I'm doing this. Last time I just used the dishwashing soap and then some baking soda, and it did strip out some of the colors, but it wasn't like as much as I wanted it to be. So I don't know if this is gonna work better. I hope it will. This is what the mixture looks like. I want it to be like a little bit darker. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so I mixed everything now. So make sure to use some gloves because you don't want your hands to be like all dry because of the dishwashing active ingredient in it. So you're just gonna do this as if like you're dyeing your hair. Oh. So the first time that I tried doing this with just the soap and the baking soda, it did strip out some of the colors, but I don't know if it's stripping out the colors because it was the same day that I just, oh god. Okay, I don't know where to start. I have so much hair. You know what, the worst part is that I have to work on this like super quick because I have so much hair. It's gonna like strip out at different times, so I have to be like really quick, and I need to stop chit-chatting. You know what, I always think that I have like too little of hair mixture, and then I feel like I have too less, and now I feel like I have too much, but then I feel like now it makes sense looking at how much hair I have. I just have purple globs all over my clothes. I'm gonna use my hands for easier application. Oh my god, it's cold. I don't know if this is gonna work because this feels like extra powdery, and it was also like that even though I mixed this mixture like super well, making sure that no more powder kind of situations happening anymore. I mean, it's kind of smooth. So forget like the under parts. I don't think I'm doing this right. My hair feels just very dry. I mean, from like applying all of this. It has a really weird texture. Okay guys, it's like kind of done now, I think. I don't know. I'm nervous. This is the moment I've been waiting my whole life. I mean, not yet, like I'm talking about the future. I'm just gonna add a little bit more if I can add like just here and there, and then I think I'm good to go. I kind of feel like I can already see some of the colors kind of like working. It's so hard to work on like this much hair when you're alone.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for like maybe 30 minutes to an hour, kind of see how light it's gonna get, because I don't want it to go back to like the brassy, ugly yellow orange color that I had like a couple days ago. So hopefully this will become like just a little bit lighter, because I know like boxed hair dyes that are like dark brown or black are usually super potent, so you know there's a lot of stain, and I don't think it's that easy. It shouldn't be that easy for it to like get out. I mean, just like from experience, you know. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I left it on for like an hour, and this is what it looks like. It looks like it has lifted. Honestly, I'm not sure about the top part, so I think I'm gonna leave it on for another like 30 minutes to an hour while watching a show, and I don't know, we'll see. Hey guys, I'm in my bathroom now, and look at the color. It has pretty much lifted 3-4 shades lighter than it used to be. Crazy. And I'm gonna wash this real quick and then see, so you guys are not saying that I'm lying. I left this on for 2 hours. Hey guys, I just finished washing my hair. I conditioned it and then I gave it a good rinse just one more time, and then this is what it looks like right now. And as you can see, the brown is really popping, and the formula definitely lifted all the black color, or like the dark brown, the super potent dark brown color that was on my hair. Considering that I didn't even use like bleach or like a hair color remover or things like that, this is pretty good. I think this is like probably 4 shades lighter, which I'm not complaining because there's no damage. It like actually feels fine, and I like put some conditioner, right? So I would give this experiment an 8 out of 10 just because I had to like wait 2 hours for this, and bleach is cheaper, but I mean, if you're looking into damage free, in the long run you don't really have to pay too much money to like maintain the quality of your hair. So yeah, this is what the end result's like, and it's still kind of wet, so wet hair always looks darker. This is cool though. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this little experiment, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye.